What go on, man?
You should tell me. You have a couple of reports that are outstanding.
Boy, I come if you have a nice drink with you, man. I thought that's what you want. I walk in the rain for you. I forgot to use my umbrella. But I tell you what, yeah, I have a few reports. As you have heard by now, the minister's daughter was recovered. Acting on information, police went to premises, saw men acting suspiciously. The men opened fire on the police. Police returned fire. One man was found suffering from gunshot wounds. Went to the KPH and died on arrival. A .38 revolver with 2 live round and 3 spent shell was taken from his body, and the other men escaped in nearby bushes. That's pretty much it.
If you write the script them for the television anchors, it sound like you're working at a radio station, man. But it sounds like a second-hand report. Are you telling me that you weren't there?
Well, I'm reporting based on a report that I was given in a report. So I'm reporting to you what was reported to me.
Possibly finding myself in that situation, I may have done the same. Because there might be a problem accounting for 20 million US.
Yeah, bro, G.
Oh, walk on.
Yeah, I know, I agree.
Yeah, I'm general. Thing good.
Yeah, I'm just on the ground.
Is it Tonian?
Who?
Tonian. Working at the shop with me.
No, brother. So, why you ask me if me see? Hola, no, you're a girl.
You know, I'm general. Because confused. The last time, me take a look, a yarn that I go up the road. Our yarn off.
Brother, you see I walk up the road. I'm walk with her, yes, but me and her don't have nothing, brother. She come like my little sister. Me and her not threat to you, brother.
Local sister. Alright, my general. Yeah, local sister. So, how long do you know her?
No, I know. You know, so since we start working at that area, I'm my father at the shop. You know, just all a reason 1 and 2 times. That's all.
What? 1 and 2 times? One whole reasoning? What? Recently? When? I shop you, sir? Or on the road?
At the shop, brother. I don't know nothing about her, I don't know where she live. I just see her at the shop.
Oh! Oh! Okay. Yeah, man, me understand that.
I have an issue. Savage, what have I ever done to make you feel that when I was being born, my mother was having diarrhea? I don't born in a shit. So don't give me none, I'm not used to it. But we'll leave that where it is. Minister's daughter is safely ensconced back with her father. He is a couple $1 million well poorer. You find gun, you find spent shell, find man about to expire. But you don't recover the money, right? Just sit down. Interesting. But all's well that's said to end well. But I tell you what I want to know about. I get a piece of news just before you come here. There's a former senior superintendent who apparently attempted to go swimming in the Hudson River. And they thought it could have been drowning when the body floated up. Except for the whole of lead him have in his body. No, that's not extraordinary by itself. Except for the problem that I'm a brethren. We go to training school. So I didn't want to say he went abroad. But let me just come out and ask. Look at that. You know anything about that?